Hello everyone, my name is Anurag and welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. So in this class, I'm going to tell you how to make like this flower with having 3 layers. So let's start. So I want to make this leaf in 30 mm. So take a rectangle, 0 enter and 30 mm and lock this and make the shape of the leaf using control point curve. Take a arc, complete this part and now adjust the shape properly. It look more bigger. Now it's much better. So I want the 5 leaf in the first layer. So let's array 5 piece. Yeah, that look much better. Yeah. Now do it patch. Okay. Now it's time to add some flow in this leaf using kedit command. Yeah. Also I want the leaves to overlap. So I will take these points and move up. Yeah. Now it look good. Add some thickness like 0.7 or 0.8 millimeter. I get 0.7. Yeah. Take array 5 piece. Yeah, that looks pretty amazing. But it's much bigger. I do the scale 3D and delete this and extract the surface and again add thickness to 0.7 millimeter. Yeah. Now do the array. Yeah. Our first layer is ready. Now copy this leaf and move up and hide the first layer. And now do cage edit and move this in center. I want this leaf in 7 piece. Array 7. Yeah. That's look great. Same things I will do with the third layer. Copy this. Now group and hide second layer. And I want 9 piece in third layer. So array 9 piece. Adjust the shape. Yeah. Now it's good. And group and hide all 2 layers. And move this up. Also this. One more up. That's good. Yeah, that's okay. Now it's time to make a fitting in this three leaf, in these three layers. So I will take a circle of 1 mm and extrude this. I will group this is the first layer, and I will make a difference through and through. Take a copy of this pipe and now make a boolean difference. Same thing I will do with the second layer. Copy this pipe and boolean difference. Yeah. So I here we have done fitting. Yeah. Yeah. Now make the upper part like this. At the pipe of 0.8 millimeter. I want the 3 piece. No, 4 will good. Yeah. It look very big. I need to do a scale. Yeah. Pointed and pipe and add a spare here. The end of this, so 1.2 millimeter. 4 piece. Also add one spare in center. It still look like very big. Control Z. Now rotate 45 degree and move up the pipe. Head spare. One point 2 mm. One in center. So line and do it pipe of 0.8 millimeter. Move this up. This not touching the base. Do the scale only. Now it's good. Yeah, the flower is ready. Group this with the first layer, the second layer and the third layer. It's ready. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.